He said he shot it at 200 yards with a .22.
That's bogus.
That's what he said.
Well, he didn't know what he's talking about.
You don't need to tell your mom where we're going?
She'll know.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Scott Will said he saw a bobcat in the woods around Ender's Bridge.
Well, I guess we're going where the bobcats are.
Or the bears, or the coyotes.
Let's do it, man.
Bobcats, baby.